Hi. Today I'm going to teach you how to use your Android phone as a joystick for playing games on your laptop or PC. Let's start and follow my steps. First, open a web browser in your PC and search for Droid Joy for PC. Then click the first link on the result. You can download the Droid Joy server software for Windows PCs from here. After download the software, run the setup. Select the language. Click Next. Tick on I accept the agreement and click Next. Select where you need to install the software, and click Next again and again. Tick on the Create a Desktop icon and click Next again. Finally click Install. After the installation, open the Droid Joy software. Now everything is good on your PC. Now take your Android phone and go to Play Store. Search for Droid Joy and download this application. After the installation, open the application. Go to Settings. Click on Connection. Click on Connection Type. Select Wi-Fi. And go to the main menu again. Before connecting two devices, make sure both PC and phone is connected to a Wi-Fi connection, and the Droid Joy software on your PC is running. After all that, click on Connect. Click on the plus mark. Click on Search Server. After the searching, click Save. Click on the server. Now both devices are connected to each other. Now you can enjoy any game with your mobile joystick. For example, I choose WWE 2K20. Open the game. Then click on the gamepad icon in the phone. Select the first layout. Wait for ad to finish. And this is your joystick now. First I selected my character. Let's play the game.
I can't wait to see what the big dog Roman Reigns has in store tonight. And on the other side,
as you can see, it's working. Thank you for watching the video. Comment if you have any questions. Like and share the video if you like. Don't forget to subscribe as well. See you from another video. Thank you.